Hi everyone, so in this video we'll talk about how you can write a page of declaration, certificate, acknowledgement and abstract. Okay, so let us have a look after it one by one. We'll begin with the page of declaration. You can see the page of declaration on your screen. So it begins with the word I. Okay, basically I declare that the work in this dissertation titled XYZ has been carried out by me in the Department of English. Okay, तो बेसिकली इसमें क्या होता है कि यू आर डिक्लेयरिंग टू द एक्सटर्नल और द इंटरनल दैट दिस वर्क विद द टाइटल XYZ हैज़ बीन ब्रॉट अप बाय यू इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश. आपने इस टाइटल पे काम किया है एंड देन आपने इसको डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश में प्रेजेंट किया है अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ whoever is your supervisor. Okay, so these are some basic information that is given in the page of declaration and you can write the same declaration. Okay, there is nothing like कि आपके फ्रेंड ने ये लिखा है तो आप ये नहीं लिख सकते. डिक्लेरेशन सबके लिए सेम होती है. ओके, एंड द फॉर्मेट दैट यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन, यही फॉर्मेट होती है डिक्लेरेशन की. इफ द पिक्चर क्वालिटी इज इन क्लियर यू कैन गो टू द कम्युनिटी टैब. आई हैव अपलोडेड द इमेज ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन ओवर देयर. Hope you are clear till here. Same goes with the certificate. Okay, there is nothing complicated in the page of declaration and certificate. It is same for all, right? So you can go with the certificate that I have uploaded. Okay, same लिख लो आप, कोई problem नहीं है. Okay, let me read this certificate for you. So this is to certify that Shreya Rai, student of MA English, semester 4, class roll number 10, यूनिवर्सिटी रोल नंबर 10, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर 10 एंड सो इज रिटन ओवर हियर. ये आप कम्युनिटी टैब में पढ़ लेना. ओके, वन थिंग दैट आई वांट टू पॉइंट आउट ओवर हियर इज दैट यू कैन सी दिस डॉक्टर इंद्रजीत, राइट, डॉक्टर इंद्रजीत सर, एंड नीचे सुपरवाइजर लिखा है. दिस सुपरवाइजर शुड बी जस्टिफाइड, मतलब कि वो थोड़ा सा इधर खिसका होना चाहिए. इट्स मोर इन द राइट साइड. ओके, सो इट शुड बी इन द मिडल. So yeah, this is it. Certificate and page of declaration, as I said before, ये same होता है for everybody, so there is nothing to be worried about these two pages. We'll go to the acknowledgement. Okay, so the next up we have is this acknowledgement, and I am pretty excited to read this acknowledgement because basically acknowledgement में क्या होता है that you thank each and every one who have ever helped you out throughout this cumbersome work. Okay, इट्स अ बल्की वर्क एंड इसमें जिन्होंने भी आपकी हेल्प करी है इंक्लूडिंग योर प्रोफेसर्स, योर पेरेंट्स, योर फ्रेंड्स, टीचिंग असिस्टेंट, आप उन सबको थैंक यू करते हैं. एक्सक्यूज मी. नाउ लेट्स रीड द एक्नॉलेजमेंट टुगेदर. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट I thank the God for his blessings showered on me in completing my thesis successfully. Yeah, this is true. मुझे सबसे पहले गॉड को थैंक यू करना था, आप भी सबसे पहले यही करना. ओके, now it's been a true in my life that when I have needed a mentor, the right person showed up. Now this was for my supervisor. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude and sincere thanks to my supervisor, Dr. Indrajit Kumar sir. He came into my life when I needed a guiding hand and became my mentor. You were patient and showed me how to trust my own instinct in my work, and you were my biggest cheerleader when any doubt or fear tried to laugh. Well, this is true. He has been very helpful throughout the thesis. जितनी patiently वो सारी mistakes को देखते थे, correct करते थे. I think this is worth writing over here. And actually next line वही है. It is worth mentioning here that boss is always right. Now if you're from the same department आपको पता चलेगा that this is the dialogue that sir used to say. Boss is always right, as you always mentioned in your lectures. You made me dig deep inside myself to bring out the best that I can be. Thank you for the time you have invested. You really helped me learn and grow. You have been the world's best mentor, someone I'm so happy to know. So this was for my supervisor. The first paragraph that I've written was for my supervisor. Let me start from the beginning. सबसे पहले I thank God and then I've written a quote about my supervisor and then मैंने उनके लिए एक पूरी paragraph लिख दी. So the next paragraph was for my HOD. Now I remember when she joined, उनके join करे सिर्फ 1-2 महीने हुए थे and we got this bulky work to do. So I have written a very small paragraph for her. Let's see. It's not that small, by the way. Yeah. I would also like to give special thanks to all my faculties and respected teachers, Dr. Amita Verma ma'am, HOD, BBM Koilanchal University, Dhanbad. I'll appreciate everything you have taught me. It's just been a couple of months to have you in the department. See, I've written over here. Though the lessons and experiences that you have shared with us will always help me and others to achieve and become better version of ourselves. Thank you for being an exemplary and visionary teacher. Yes. So this was for ma'am, Amita Verma. What is wrong with me? Amita Verma. On fire, we have Dr. Himanshu Sekhar Chaudhary. Okay. यहाँ पे मैंने सर लिखा था एंड उन्होंने देखा और उन्होंने ये काट दिया, तो आप भी मत लिखना, शायद आपका भी कटने वाला है. सर. Okay, let me read it. So, Dr. Himanshu Sekhar Chaudhary, who always pushed us to think out of the box and gives us life lessons that everything can't be spoon-fed to you. Now, if you have been his student, तो आपको पता होगा that this is a kind of lines or dialogues that he always used to say in the class. Okay, so I have written it over here. So learn to grab the opportunities and not to get trapped in the false narrative. This false narrative word, ये मैंने सीखा ही उन्हीं से है, ये भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा use करते थे. As he always mentioned in the class that I don't cover the syllabus, I uncover the syllabus. Proves to be true from his unique and different teaching method. Now, if you ask me, I would say कि पूरे department पे he has been a very different person, a very different kind of personality he had. Okay, and very open-minded, by the way. You would love to have a talk with him. So, heartily thanks to you, sir. If I will ever become a teacher, I would love to be a lady version of you. Now, okay, now who's left on the list of appreciation? It's Dr. Krishna Murari, sir. Okay, so the next paragraph is for him. It says, words can never express my thanks for support, patience, encouragement and kindness to Dr. Krishna Murari. Again, sir was written but उन्होंने काट दिया, तो sir नहीं लिखना है आपको. Okay, you have been the one I have most interacted with. Now this is true. Class में I think I was very much, I have been very interactive with him, and so does he. Throughout the classes, okay, like a chisel on stone works and gives a beautiful shape. Similarly, your thoughts, ideas and teaching refined my personality. This is also true. Okay, so this is it for him, and the next paragraph is dedicated to the PhD scholars and teaching assistant. Okay, let's read it. I would like to give my special thanks to PhD scholar Mr. Sachin Kumar, okay, who helped me and supported me in this thesis. Teaching assistants Miss Namrata Bhattacharya. See, I have written ma'am, but sir ne wo kaat diya, so you also don't write ma'am, after her name. Whose interesting lectures on blasphemy gave me the idea to work upon the novel. Okay, so I'm showing you एक एक्नॉलॉजमेंट जो मैंने प्रोसेस में रखा था और एक जो मैंने फाइनली पब्लिश कराने के लिए रखा था. तो जो फाइनली मैंने पब्लिश कराया उसमें कोई मिस्टेक्स नहीं है, एज यू कैन सी. बट मैं जो आपको अभी दिखा रही हूँ उसमें बड़े सारे मिस्टेक्स निकाले हैं प्रोफेसर्स ने. सो यू प्लीज़ लुक आफ्टर द वर्ड्स वन बाय वन सो दैट यू डोंट रिपीट द मिस्टेक. ओके, आप ये मिस्टेक्स नहीं करने चाहिए, एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई एम शोइंग यू दिस. ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. Whose interesting lecture on blasphemy gave me the idea to work upon the novel. This is very true. She came into the class and उन्होंने blasphemy पे lecture दिया था, and that was the time, exact time जब मुझे लगा that I should work on this blasphemy. So I was this novel. So I'm very thankful to her for that specific lecture. Now moving forward, I have written a few words of gratitude to my parents and my friend, family. So yes. अगर आपको नहीं लिखना आप इसको टोटली स्किप कर सकते हो, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ओके, सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड वी हैव एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. फाइनली दिस इज़ द लास्ट वन. सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इज़ नथिंग बट अ समरी. 100 और 98 पेजेस और वट एवर जितने भी पेजेस की आपने अपनी थीसिस लिखी है, बस उसको समराइज़ कर दो एक पेज में,